Kubor nakaslem jong unongsan hima.
Ngiladep siu pisa na kamta sau po ar hajar teli ki vaksin. Hakador lais pa tengka kawe ke vaksin. But tang kendiat sengi nang ni. Ngin sayo ya kan ni ke vaksin. But hadin bangila yo. Ngin sa ai inject i ki pait bak nong song snom jong ke jela ke jongi. Klaim da don kam ban siu dor AA. Ka sorkar kan siu ya ka dor jong ka vaccination baru. Ta ka baar ka bingi kren ha ka review meeting hapo jelam jong chief minister Badon Burong menta ka jamit. Nilaya thir jingbut bha ha ka wedei bat ka jingdon ka marbam mardi hapo ka jela megala jong baru kawai nas ngeu bah ban pentip ya ki pai ba nong song snong jong ke jela megala bakim dei ban kuslai ka marbam mardi ka stop kadang biang bat kim dei bandon kanu kanu ka jing septi nang ne sekmat nama nakalen ka sarkar ngi pet benia ya kani man kasni bat ka baar ka bangkwa ban pentip ang neru ka sarkar India kala sanction susu ya uni ukau ubangi ju ai san kilo shikle ha ka wei pa ka wei ka yin ki bahap hapo ka AAY bat PHH category ya une ukau ngila ai order ya poro ki wholesaler support jela bakin lift na ki FCI ko down baper bat banra salaki jong ki jaka khnang ba nyo pan sam no mentau bunai bat une ukau ubingi ong ka scheme kerpang PMGKAY ngiyo na kamenta arbanai ubenai me bat ubenai June away ka bangila ban job yaw ni upnyang jingpang bat kata kalong mdei ka sorkar ka bala ban job yo nu upnyang jingpang re iway imen sim ba kordor ibasa haga jela megala dei ban ye trelang bat ru dei ban bud perking ya kitu ki kendon iba ka sorkar kalabtha nakapor syakapor ladengila ban le kumta kummongo pi na comment scan ba ka jing spread ke ji sapriang une virus kanum kta hadu kata abong saupo arjatli filasungtu namar ba saupo arjatli kabamut kidon kaman ai ardos kabamut don kam la kumul nuru arpu ai jarmut banai namar ba ki habat pendep sekados ka ba government of Meghalaya in fact wanted to start vaccination drive tomorrow itself. That is a wish. But as I said to you, I think this crisis happened not only to Meghalaya, to each and every state in India, even to the country as a whole. So therefore, I can't comment anything on that. Luckily, at least 42,000 has been clearly paid, and we are waiting for this lot to reach the state of Meghalaya. See, as I said to you, review meeting will be held on daily basis, and we keep observing this very closely. Again, tomorrow also we are going to have a review meeting. So let us see again tomorrow what decision to be taken by the government on daily basis, as I said to you. But as I said to you, I would request once again, like yesterday I did, I would request each and every citizen of the state, please respect the direction, the notification and the arrangement made by the government from time to time.
The vaccine from the government of India or from the manufacturing company?
See, previously what they did for the 45 years and above, the private hospital, they procure themselves directly. But now, because there is shortage of supply, as of now, the government of India, along with the manufacturer, the delivery will be only to the state government. This is the company's price fixed by the manufacturing company and the government of India.
Sir, kini 42,000 kini na tato no kini.
Ya kini kilong di South Nem siapa 44 years below up to 18 years. Ya ki detail ngin sa walk out, let's say katu kani por ki ki ceka ki bangi idon kam ban ai nang kong ya kini vaccination ya kini ngin sa rai haka review meeting kapan solo.